Hello friends, welcome to the world of English language. Our today's topic, I will not tell you, I will show you and you need to guess it. You were like this in past. Today, you must be like this. And you will grow like this in future. So, what do you think we are going to study? Yes, I think you guessed it correctly. We are going to learn tenses. Let me take you to the flow of content. The first one is definition. Definition of tenses. Let us see. What is a tense? Tense is a method that we use in English to refer to time of an action, whether in past, present or future. With each tense, we use different forms to show what kind of an action it is, whether it is a steady action, whether it is continuous or the action is going to happen. Next, if we see, we have types of sentences. Types of sentences are of three types. The first one being affirmative sentences, यानी पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस आप बोल सकते हो कि हकारात्मक वाक्य अगर गुजराती में कहिए तो example, John is here. John અહીંયા છે. That is an affirmative sentence. The next one is negative sentence, એટલે કે નકારાત્મક વાક્ય. Those sentences which have words like no, not in it are called negative sentences. Example, John is not here. જો તો the word not over here shows that the sentence is negative. Third one, we have interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence એટલે પ્રશ્નાર્થક વાક્ય. Okay, a question form in the sentence that we use. Example, is John here? If you see આ ટાઈપના sentencesમાં the structure of sentence changes a bit. Okay, the question tags comes in front and last one, the most important one is your question mark, which will show that the sentence is an interrogative sentence. Next, if you see, we have types of tenses. There are basically three different types of tenses as we saw અને તમે અત્યાર સુધી ભણ્યા પણ હશો. You must be knowing it. First one is past tense, ભૂતકાળ, the actions which have already happened. પહેલા જે ઘટના ઘટી ચૂકી છે કે જે ઇન્સિડન્સ થઈ ચૂક્યું છે એના રિલેટેડ આપણે વાત કરીએ તો that is called past tense. Example, he ate mango yesterday. Yesterday over here is your keyword કે ગઈકાલે activity થઈ હતી. So, ate is your past form of the word. Word જે અહીંયા મૂળ રૂપ હશે that is eat, જેનું આપણે past કર્યું છે ate. The next that we have is present tense, એટલે કે વર્તમાન કાળ. The activity which happens today in a current scenario or in present scenario is called present tense. He is eating a mango right now. આ continuous tense છે કે અત્યારે ક્રિયા ચાલી રહી છે right now, or I am taking a session right now. So what am I doing? હું અત્યારે activity કરી રહી છું. So it is continuous tense which is happening in present. So you can say it is present tense. In your example, is eating, if you can see, is your present continuous tense. The next one is future tense, એટલે કે ભવિષ્યકાળ. જે ક્રિયા આપણે કરવાના છીએ, that is your future tense. Example, he will eat mangoes in next season. Okay, so he has decided કે આ season પતી ગઈ છે, now I will eat mangoes in the next season. So અહીંયા will eat mangoes એ આપણું tense બતાવે છે અને will is always used in future tense. Next season એ આપણો keyword છે that it shows that the activity is going to happen in some time in future. Clear? Now we move on to the next part, that is keywords. Keywords are those words which will help you to understand which tense or which form of the verb you have to use. દરેક વાક્યની અંદર કંઈક ને કંઈક કીવર્ડ હશે. Using that word you have to decide which tense you have to use and which form of the tense you have to. If you can see the table over here, the keywords and the respective tense that is to be used is given on the other side. So just refer, if you can see, the first one is simple present tense, then present continuous tense, keywords for present perfect tense are given, and the last one shows present perfect continuous tense. The next we have for the set of past tense, that is simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and the last one is simple future tense. I hope this much must be clear to you. Last part that we have is table of forms of tenses. This will show you where and how you have to use the different verbs and understand the tense. In short, you can say that these are the formulas that you will have to use while using the right form of the word that will be given to you in the bracket, and you have to fill in the blank using that word. If you can say here, the combination of the first one is simple present tense, the second one is simple past tense, the third is simple future tense. The formulas to the respective tenses are given over there, which you will have to use while you fill in the blank while attempting your questions. The next is continuous present tense, past continuous tense, then you have present perfect tense, past perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and the last one is past perfect continuous tense. I hope these formulas must be clear to you. You need to remember this in order to attempt right answers. Thank you. We will start with different types of tenses in our next session.